All right, Virgo. Happy January. This is your reading. We're pulling three cards, the beginning, the middle, and the end of the month. If you are new to my channel, you know that now you will know you watch three videos for a general reading. It's your birth sign, your north node, and your rising sign. So your birth sign, your north node, and your rising sign. And if you want your own personal reading, just message me and go to the website and select the reading that you wish for. All right, so here we go. So let's see, Virgo, what the first card is. We have the Magician. Oh, I love that. And we have the Five of Cups. And we have 10 of coins. Okay, so the Magician. The Magician is letting you know, Virgo, that you're in control of your life. You're in control of your emotions. You're in control of creating your life. You are the one that create your world, okay? And if it sounds like a bit of BS, then that's part of the reason why it doesn't feel good right now. So you create your world, okay? Your experiences, how people experience you. You're in control of how happy you are, how sad you are, the life that you have. So everything takes time. It takes time for a negative situation to manifest and draw out and all of that, and then it takes time for it to become a more positive experience and so on. So the Magician is the great manifester. Okay, so he's known by many different names in the tarot deck because of what he means. You can relate the Magician to many different characters in the world. And what's most important is how you apply these qualities within yourself. So the Magician is saying that you are the great creator. You're the magician of your life. You're the creator of your life. We can all manifest things that we want in our life, whether good or bad. So it all depends on how our mind is programmed, you know. So now, oops, now we have the Five of Cups, and Five of Cups is saying that not to, this is basically saying that the person in this card is focused on the three cups in front of her that spilled, while there are two cups behind her that is standing. So in print, this card is very dark. You can hardly see the image. But the message is true, and it's a very beautiful image. But at the same time, it's very sad. So focus on the things that you still have, okay? And a lot of times this card will show up when someone is moving or they've been through a divorce and they've lost their furniture, their home, and they have less now. They have to probably move to a smaller dwelling unit, home, whatever, a smaller house, apartment, whatever. So it's focusing on the destruction, the loss, rather than, okay, it happened, be in it, feel it, but then move forward and say, okay, what do I still have? And focus on that, because the sooner you look at it and say, okay, that's sad, I'm sad, and just allow yourself to move forward, you'll return to happy times. Okay, and moving there in the healthiest way possible. So now I need to get one of those card holders that holds three cards. I have one that holds one card, but I need one. I need to make a wooden one that holds three cards up. So if any of you out there know where I can get that, that'll be great. So the most powerful message. So focus on what is working for you and appreciate what you have. So I feel like the main message is that you can manifest what you will. Okay? I feel like that is the main message for you. You can manifest what you will. Okay? So just take that with you. You can manifest what you will. All right? Appreciate what's around you. All right, guys. So click like on Lily Sky Tarot is my Facebook page, and I'll see you guys also on Periscope. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Share the video if you like it, and I'll see you guys next time.